For the circuit shown, use the node voltage method to find V1, V2, and I1. V1, V2, and I1. Here the node voltage is V1. Here the node voltage is V2. The current flow through this 60 ohms resistance is I2. Already I1 is there here. That is the reason here we use I2. 15 ohms resistance. The current flow through this 15 ohms resistance is I3. This one is I4. Apply KCL at V1. Apply KCL at node V1. 15 amperes current is entering into the node. 15 is equal to I2, I3, and I1. These three currents are away from the node. That is I1 plus I2 plus I3. Because here also the node voltage is V1 because these two are shorted. I2, I3, and I1 currents are away from the node. 15 ampere current is entering into that node V1. I1 is equal to V1 minus V2 by V1 minus V2 by 5 ohms. I2 is equal to V1 by 16. I3 is equal to V1 by 15. V1 by 15. 15 is equal to V1 into 1 by 5 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 60 minus V2 by 5. Minus V2 by 5. Arrange in proper order. V1 into 60. 12 5s are 60. 12. 15 4s are 60. This one is 1 minus V2 by 5 is equal to 15. V1 into 12 plus 4, 16 plus 17 by 60 minus V2 by 5 is equal to 15. 60 is the LCM. 60. 17 V1 minus 12 5s are 60. 12 V2 is equal to 15. Therefore, the equation is 17 V1 minus 12 V2 is equal to 15 into 60. 17 V1 minus 12 V2 is equal to 900. This is the equation 1. And apply KCL at node V2. Apply KCL at node V2. That is I1 is the current enter into that node V2. I1 is equal to I4 plus 5 amperes. I1 is equal to I4 plus 5 amperes. I1 is equal to I4 plus 5. I4 plus 5. I1 is equal to V1 minus V2 by 5. I1 is equal to V1 minus V2 by 5 I1 V1 minus V2 by 5. I4 is equal to V2 by 2. I4 is equal to V2 by 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Arrange in proper order. V1 by 5 bring this side, V2 is bring this side. V1 by 5 minus V2 by 5 minus V2 by 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. Plus 5 is equal to 0. Minus V1 by 5 plus V2 by 5 plus V2 by 2 is equal to 5. Is equal to 5 is equal to 5. Arrange in proper order. Arrange in proper order. V2 by 2 here I4 is equal to V2 by 2. I1 is equal to V1 minus V2 by I1 is equal to V1 minus V2 by 5. This one is bring this side. This one is minus. This one is minus sign. Minus 5 is equal to 0. V1 by 5 minus V2 by 5 minus V2 by 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. This one is minus 5. Minus 5. Therefore, minus V1 by 5 V2 into 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 5. Minus V1 by 5 V2 into 10 2 plus 5 is equal to minus 5. Is equal to minus 5. Again LCM 10 minus 2VBN plus 7V2 is equal to minus 5. Minus 2V1 plus 7V2 is equal to minus 50. This one is equation 2. Equation 1 is 17V1 minus 12V2 is equal to 900. 17V1 minus 12V2. Equation 1 is 17V1 minus 12V2 is equal to 900. This one is equation 1. Solve equation 1 and 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 2, from equation 2, 7V2 is equal to minus 50 plus 2V1. V2 is equal to minus 50 plus 2V1 by 7. This one is equation 3. Substitute equation 3 in 1. Equation 3 in 1. That is equal to 17V1 minus 12 minus 50 plus 2V1 by 7. That is V2 is equal to 900. Is equal to 900. 7 is LCM. 17 into 7V1 minus into minus plus 12 5s are 60. 600 here. minus into plus minus 24 V1 is equal to 900 into 7. 900 into 7. That is equal to 17 7 jars 119 V1 plus 600 minus 24 V1 6300. 6300. 119. 119 V1 minus 24 V1 6300 minus 600. That is equal to 5700. This one is 95 V1 is equal to 5700. Therefore, V1 is equal to 5700 by 95. That is equal to 60. V1 value is 60. Therefore, V2 is equal to, obviously, V2 is equal to minus 50 plus 2 into 60 by 7. Minus 50, 120 by 7. 120 by 7. 120 by 7. That is 70 by 7. That is equal to 10. Here, V1 is equal to 60. V2 is equal to 10. Find out I1. I asked I1 value. Therefore, I1 is equal to 60 minus 10 by 5. 60 minus 10 by 5, that is equal to 50 by 5, that is 10 amperes. The value of I1 is 10 amperes. V1 is 60 volts and V2 is 10 volts.